So great to see you back on my channel once again. This is Daniel here, and if you're watching this video, probably you want to find the shortcuts to finding the length of a tangent from a point to a circle. So looking at these, we have the tangent PB from a point x1, y1. This is the center of the circle. In the traditional way of doing this, what you do is to find the radius. Then you find the distance from the center to the point B, and by Pythagoras theorem you can find the length PB. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you the simplest way to find the length PB without having to find the radius and the distance from C to B. So let's begin. Given the equation of the circle s squared plus y squared 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0, and the point x1, y1, to find the length of the tangent, let's say LT, simply substitute the point into the given equation, then you take the square root. So the length of the tangent will be s1 squared plus y1 squared plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. So let's take, for example, find the length of the tangent from the point -1, 6 to the circle s squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 8y plus 5 equals to 0. So now what we have to do is to substitute the points -1, 6 into the circle given s squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 8y plus 5. So we have the length as the square root of -1 squared plus 6 squared minus 10 into bracket -1 plus 8 into bracket 6 plus 5. So we have 1 plus 36 plus 10 plus 48 plus 5. That should give us 100. So we have L is equal to root of 100, and that is equal to 10. So the length of the tangent is 10. Let's take the next example. Given the circle 2s squared plus 2y squared minus x plus 2y plus 20 equals 0. Find the length of a tangent from the point 2, 3 to the circle. So using the same principle, we substitute the point 2, 3 into the given circle 2s squared plus 2y squared minus x plus 2y plus 20 equals 0. So we know the length is equal to the root of, now 2 into bracket 2 square plus 2 into bracket 3 square minus 2 plus 2 into bracket 3 plus 20. So now let's pull our calculator, do some calculations right here. We have 8 plus 18 plus minus 2 plus 6 plus 20. That should give us 50. So therefore the length of the tangent should be equal to a root of 50. So guys, this is the simplest way to find length of a tangent from a given point to a circle. If you like this video, please give a thumb up and click on the subscription button and the notification bell. Till I see you in the next video, I say stay blessed.